Yeah, it sounded a lot better before. This is the sound that young women love to hear. Little cat chewing the bones of a rabbit. If you're a young woman who can handle these crunching noises as you're trying to sleep, maybe you want to come and get married to me. This is the third rabbit. The video I made showing the semi-portable solar rig that I put together this afternoon. Well, this is just this night. Black Kitty, well, I was busy doing cooking and I didn't really take much notice. Black Kitty's come in through the kitchen door and then gone in through the cat flap of my bedroom door. We're the little rabbit. And I heard all the commotion and I thought the two cats were just fighting in my room, and no, just like last time, she was chasing a rabbit round and round and round inside my bedroom. And now she's eating it. Welcome to the real off-grid life.